y tîm ar y brig yn erbyn y tîm sy'n bumed y ddau dîm a gymaint i chwarae drosto fo. Sislevic.
Oh, mae
Wow! Cardeni Sislevic, dwi'n meddwl hon. Ie. A mae'r amddiffynwyr yn ei wawdio fo ac yn deitha fo godi.
Mae'n hollol penderfyniad cywir gan y dyfarnwr, a mae Sislevic yn gwybod. Edrych at Miles Davies, mae'n pyn bach y sgwar. Na i ddeud hynny, ond mae'n tynnu goes yn ôl. Dwi'n mynd cysylltiad efo fo.
Astles at Clark. Drobl, mae'n bas hyfryd. Ac yn y diwedd mae'r gol yn dod a mae Robles yn dangos sut mae cymryd cyfle i ddeuddegfed gol o'r tymor.
Dwi'n just meddwl fan hyn, mae hwnna'n just gol amatured, cael ei tynnu allan o'i bylcha. Mae'n eich edrych ar brobl, mae'n troi o gwbl i hawdd, mae'r pwys ar y bel am berffaith. Y ffordd mae'n gorffa ni, i fi, edrych i'r ffordd, twyllo fo, a wedyn siarp i gorffo i chwipio i fewn i'r postyn gyntaf yna. A mae'r dyn yma wrth i fodd.
7 gêm o'r tymor ar ôl heddiw, cofiwch chi gyda amser i bethau newid. Robles at Clark. O, mae'n dod o ddiar i Cwbl. Ac yn y diwedd, dod na ddim gwiriad cic gol fi.
Na. Troi sydyn cael yr ergyd i fewn. Just methu tro na.
Sislevic sy'n paratoi gymryd y gic y tro yma. Dwy fraich yn yr awyr. A Redmond gafodd y peniad.
A dyna pam diw heb sgorio.
Ie, a mi ddyle fod i taro'r target yn dyle.
Wel, mae'n bedwar llath o'r gol, mae'n canol y gol. Mae'n beniad rhydd.
3 games in charge, 3 wins. You make this head coach business look quite easy.
Well, it certainly wasn't easy today. I thought it was our toughest game so far. I think credit to Pen-y-bont and how organised they were. They were very organised, hard to break down, and had a real tactical discipline about them in good shape. And it was a really tough first half, and we had to really see the game out and be disciplined in the second half. And probably not the best performance from us, but at the moment I think coming into this split to get 3 wins in a row is good, and that takes us I think to 6 wins in a row now. So yeah, the team are on good form in terms of that, so we'll take the 3 points and move on.
I thought it was a really disciplined performance. Obviously, despite them dominating the ball for large periods of the game, we limited them to very few chances, and unfortunately you're always going to have 2 or 3 lapses of concentration. They took one of them, and that's football. We're just hoping then for our one opportunity to draw level. It just didn't quite come.
You had the perfect start to that second half. What did Anthony tell you guys in the dressing room at half-time?
Yeah, well, to be fair, the gaffer pointed out 3 or 4 points that we could have improved on. That would have won us the game, and thankfully one of them paid off, and Rob's got on the out tail like he does, and found me with a brilliant pass.
And just a note on the new coach, how much are you guys enjoying playing under him so far?
Yeah, well, obviously it's a fresh face with new ideas, and everyone's eager to impress, so the dynamic right now is really, really healthy in the team.
We knew when we set up in the week, we knew it was going to be difficult, but to be fair, we stuck to the game plan all game, and we switched off once, and we can't afford that when you come here.
Losing back-to-back games against Bala and TNS in the space of a few days, that's quite tough going, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a slog of a week, to be honest with you. Connors Key away as well, in with the mix, but you know, we're competing with them every time, and I think these top sides know that when they play Pen-y-bont, they're going to be in for a tough game.
With Barry losing today as well, this Tuesday night game could get quite tasty, couldn't it?
Well, what we're doing, we're jostling for a place in a cup competition. So ultimately, you know, we could beat Barry twice, or they could beat us twice, and the same for Carnarvon. And then the opposite happens in the playoffs when they come along. So at the moment, we're just jostling, maybe a little bit of bragging rights and also a bit of confidence, but ultimately, it'll come down to the playoffs.
Diolch Rhys, thank you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.